clocks are ticking, and our planet is changing right before our eyes.
Deforestation of our great forests, toxic air pollution, loss of insects and wildlife, the acidification of our oceans.
If we don't protect nature, we can't protect ourselves.
Right now, we are in the midst of the Earth's 6th mass extinction. One every bit as profound and far-reaching as that which wiped out the dinosaurs. It's almost impossible to grasp as we go about our lives that the rest of life on Earth is experiencing destruction on the scale of that wrought by a colossal asteroid collision.
There are 8.7 million species on Earth, with 6.5 million having chosen land and sky as their living space, and 2.2 million with oceans as their home. We humans are only one of them, and yet we have assumed the ownership of this planet. And look at us now. I often think about what the future holds for us. If it continues like this, the consequences will only become more fatal.
The UN is issuing a dire warning on climate change. It released a report compiled by some of the world's leading scientists, and it finds that nearly 1 million species are at risk of extinction because of humans.
How could it end so wrong? We kill and abuse animals. We destroy their homes. The CO2 level is rising. The global temperature is rising. And we are polluting like never before, and it only becomes more and more apparent. The Earth is exhausted and can no longer keep up. We must accept infinite disappointment, but we must never lose infinite hope. We can still save our dear planet before it's too late in realizing the value of life on Earth. Because if we want our upcoming generations to be happy and prosperous, we have to save it. This Earth is a gift to mankind, and it is our duty and responsibility to protect it and pass it on to our children in as pristine a state as possible. None of us can change the entire world all by ourselves, but by making small amendments in our own lives and encouraging others to do the same, we can make a difference. Together, we make change.